Keilhauer has been a design activist from our start in 1981. We are constantly working toward our goal of closed-loop manufacturing, a process in which all materials are recycled back into the system. Our goal is to be 100% free of toxic chemicals in all of our products. We work to design these chemicals out of our products during the design process. We designed the buncha table with the intent to remove the PVC edge band because it's a toxic plastic. Our sky stool is 100% Red List compliant. The whole chair was fully assessed and approved for use. The chrome cylinder was specifically chromed with safe, approved chromium. We believe that there is no end to a product's life. That's why we offer a product take-back for our Tom chair. You ship it back to us, we break down the various parts, and we recycle. Striving for a closed-loop manufacturing process means we want to be a part of the recycling loop in every way we can. A key example are the bodies of the Doko stools. Recycled material makes up to 60% of each model. Fabric cutting and pattern matching procedures often create a lot of waste. We produce less waste with our techniques. Keilhauer's top priority is our environmental impact, and this mission remains at the heart of our design process: creating sustainable products.